So these are Russian ladies. It's called Russian matryoshkas. The class of art. It's very nice, you know. Makes music as well. This looks like a really, really massive palace, but it's not a palace, it's a hotel. And it looks so amazingly beautiful. Wow. I mean, wow. Beautiful. It was just out of this world. The area looks so clean. You can just have a nice walks in these parks, and it's just beautiful. You won't find a single dirt over here on these places. It's absolutely fantastic. So you have restaurant, you have Solex, then you have over here Forno over there. So these are the restaurants which is like the most like the high-end restaurants next to this river park over here, just like, you know, next to the hotel. Looks like there are some weddings over here today where a lot of people are waiting. So the private parties, and this is where you get the cruises. And this is Radisson Royal Moscow. A lot of people gathered over here to go on the boat cruises. It is such a good idea just to book this and go. Hello, sir. How are you, brother?
Right,
I was good, man. Where are you from, man, bro?
I'm from South Africa.
South Africa.
Johannesburg,
Nice
yeah.
to meet you, man. I'm from India, man.
Is it?
Yeah. What's your name, bro?
Zweli.
Nice to meet you, Zoeli, man. What's your name, bro? Nice to meet you, man. Respect, bro. And these are brothers from South Africa, from Johannesburg. So it just happened to bump into them. Did you guys go on the cruise?
Yeah, we just got off the cruise.
Yeah?
We had
How was
nice
it?
lunch, you know, we're feeling sleepy.
Yeah, this is the good way to get the information for these cruises. And this is like, so can you just tell me, like, how was your experience going in these cruises?
It was fantastic. It's
Yeah.
spacious, the food is lovely.
Yes.
Actually, you can cruise the whole day.
Oh, nice.
We were already
Yeah.
falling asleep.
Oh,
We got
lovely.
spoiled.
You can look like you're pretty chilled out, bro. How many hours were you on here?
About 2.
2 hours?
Actually, it's a group thing.
Yeah.
We were hosted by the government of Moscow.
Oh, right.
So we're from a summit.
Oh, nice.
So all of us decided to have lunch there.
Thank you so much, bro.
All right, man.
Nice to meet
Thank
you.
you.
Respect, bro. Respect.
Respect.
Yes. So it was good to meet these guys, you know, and they tell me a little bit more about this. About these cruises, and it was just so nice to meeting these people, and they told me a little bit more information about how these cruises and what sort of prices they are like and everything, you know. Hey guys, how are you? Say hi to Tasty Traveler. Good morning. Where are you guys from?
Armenia.
Armenia.
And you are?
Ronaldo, yes. Nice to meet you. And what's your name?
Emily.
Emily, and your name?
And Leah.
And Leah. Nice to meet you, girls.
Hello.
And you are the boss.
Yes.
She is the boss. You can see the look. She is the business.
Yeah,
That's what
she's a
I'm talking.
detective.
She's
Yeah.
yes.
Yes, detective.
And these guys. She's a detective. Oh, she's a detective. And these guys are from Armenia. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Bye.
Big boss. Take care. So this was nice, guys. Meeting some people over here. Hello. How are you? Where are you from?
Iran.
Iran. Nice to meet you, brother.
Thank
These guys from Iran, and my Iran brother, Tasty Traveler. Where are you from, sir?
I'm from Russia.
Russia.
From
Nice to
Moscow.
meet you.
Nice
What's
to
your
meet
name?
you. Leon.
Nice to meet you, Leon. I'm Ryan, Tasty Traveler. He's the big boss. He's the big boss. Hey, you can see the size of this man. I don't want to mess around with him. What's your name, sir?
Mehdi.
Mehdi.
from
Nice
Iran.
to nice to meet you. Sir. Are you here for doing the tour?
Yeah, we just finished it.
Yes.
Yes.
Can you tell me how was your experience?
It's pretty good. We
Yes?
liked it, yeah. We were hosted by the government of Moscow, so
Oh.
we didn't pay for it.
Respect, that is good. And so that's nice. So thank you, brothers. Good to meet
Yeah,
you guys.
good to
Thank
meet
you
you.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Are we going to be popular?
Of course, you're going to be popular. When I'm sure you're already very popular.
All right,
But
if anybody wants to contact me, please.
please, this guy
Write
wants
your
to.
phone numbers down below.
Yes, that's right. Yes, thank you so much. And these guys are handsome dudes, so you don't want to miss these guys. Respect, bro. Yes. So it was so nice meeting these guys, and it's just amazing. Hello, how are you? So just walking through this. Sorry, I love Moscow. I love Moscow too. What's your name?
My name is Palina.
Palina, nice to meet you. I'm Tasty Traveler. And what's your
What do you
name?
like the most?
Sorry?
What's your favorite dish here?
Over here?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a lot of things amazing.
Like the
And this guy, she's doing my video as well while I'm doing the video for her. So yes, you asked me a dish and I like the tomatoes over here. I think the tomatoes are so sweet. It is really, really. The pomodoro, очень вкусно. She's her sister.
It's her birthday. Yeah.
Happy birthday. And nice, and you're the princess, and you are two sisters, and you're the family, all the family.
Yeah.
Yes,
And friends.
and friends. And she's the big boss. You can see she's recording.
No, this is big boss.
Whoa! I need to get the big boss. I love Moscow. Yes, как зовут? What's your name?
Inga.
Nice to meet you, Inga. I'm Ryan, Tasty Traveler, and it's all this, the whole bunch of girls. I just want to say, you really? Oh shit! This is like, you can't tell the age of anybody. The Russia is so beautiful with so beautiful girls, man. Come to Russia. Yes, thank you so much, guys. So that was really nice meeting these guys back out there. They were like funny, and I like funny people. So it's really good. And yeah, so I feel like there is always the happy moments, where you can just go and just enjoy, guys. Have a nice day. The views are just amazing, fantastic. I mean, it's not sunny, it's not very cloudy, it's just perfect. Walking down the street, I need some water, I need some drink. I've been walking through a lot, so I need some drink just to get me a bit rehydrated. Oh wow, this building just looks so huge. So these are the high-rise buildings. Oh, me again. So I'm standing right at the high rises, these buildings now. Wow, it is massive. And this is the new Moscow, where there's like the new buildings and everything has been built. So I'm just going to go on the other side and I'm going to check it out, and I'm going to show you all about how it looks like. There's a lot of photographers over here where you can do all the photography. I really like it over here. This is like the space area over here. Like, people come here and they chill out. Some kids come here and they do some the dance activities and stuff like that. So it's pretty amazing. This is a restaurant here, and this is the speciality over here. So this is like a restaurant I just came across, and this is a little like a cafe type. It's right on the top of the bridge. So I think I might just chill over here and have some drink or something just to cool me down a little bit. This guy is the boss of this place, and I'm entering this place. I wanted to have a drink, and this guy is saying that, what's your name?
My name is John.
His name is
I'm from
John,
Vietnam.
and he's from Vietnam, and he said he can give me a good Vietnamese beer. So I'm going to sit down here and I'm going to have a drink. So you can see this is the new Moscow, the Moscow city, which is like looks so beautiful. and I've not even entered that side yet. I've just like, this is just the start. And while I was going through this like tunnel sort of a bridge on the top of the river, so I thought like I want to have something to refreshment, because I wanted something to drink, because I've been walking a long ways. And I found this restaurant which is on the top of this tunnel sort of this. This is the name of this restaurant, and they do like pizzas over here, you know, and all sorts of food you can see. And there's some juices, there's some beers, you can see everything in detail over here. The prices are not that bad as well. I think this restaurant is very reasonable, because it looks good. Margarita pizza, 28 centimeters, is like about 400 rupees, which is good price. You see here. So the prices are pretty reasonable over here. You know, considering it's in the center of the Moscow city, I just thought like this would be a little bit pricey, but the prices are fantastic. It's not expensive at all. It's pretty reasonable. Chicken and potatoes, that's like 350. Chicken and potatoes, that's like about 350. You can see here. And they have salads over here. They have pasta. They have pizzas. They have a lot of things. They even have momos over here, which is for 350, which looks good as well, 350. So I think overall this is a good menu. Wow, so that's like a beer. John just host of this place. They got me the host of this place. When I met him, he said he got a Vietnamese beer, and I said, okay, I'm really thirsty, so I said, get me beer. So I thought you probably would get me a bottle of beer or something. I really didn't realize that he would give me this. Check that out. And the glass is as big as my face, you can see. The glass is as big as my face. Let me check it out. Yeah. That's exactly what I needed after walking for miles and miles. So that's exactly what I wanted. Perfect. So I'm here. This is a whole good building. This building looks perfect. Absolutely perfect. If you want to do a good photography, this is the place. No tickets required to come here, which is good. And you can explore this part of Moscow, and can spend a few hours over here. You can do photography, you can do, you can just chill over here.